In 1957, the world changed. The Soviet Union launched Sputnik, the first artificial satellite. It was a metal sphere just 23 inches across. Sputnik carried a simple radio transmitter. It beeped as it circled the Earth. This beep was a shock to the world, especially the United States. It marked the beginning of the space race. The United States quickly formed NASA, its space agency. The race to space was on. Sputnik's journey was short. It fell back to Earth after a few months, but its impact was huge. It sparked our imagination. We started to dream of going to space ourselves. The space race was about more than just satellites. It was a competition between the United States and the Soviet Union. Both countries wanted to prove their technological superiority. They poured resources into developing rockets and spacecraft. The ultimate goal was the moon. In 1961, President John F. Kennedy made a bold promise. He said America would land a man on the moon before the decade was out. This challenge energized the nation. Scientists and engineers worked tirelessly to make it happen. The Apollo program was born. It was a massive undertaking involving thousands of people. The world watched with bated breath as the US took the lead in the space race. The Apollo missions were a series of daring flights to the moon. Each mission brought us closer to the goal of landing on the lunar surface. Apollo 11, launched in 1969, was the mission that made history. Neil Armstrong became the first human to set foot on the moon. His words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," became iconic. Millions around the world watched the event on television. The Apollo missions continued until 1972. They returned a wealth of scientific data and lunar samples. These missions showed what humanity could achieve with determination and innovation. After the Apollo program, NASA focused on a new goal, creating a reusable spacecraft. This led to the development of the Space Shuttle. The shuttle looked like an airplane and could land back on Earth like one. The first space shuttle, Columbia, launched in 1981. The shuttle era opened up new possibilities for space exploration. Astronauts could now travel to space more frequently and conduct longer missions. The Space Shuttle program was not without its challenges. Two tragic accidents, Challenger in 1986 and Columbia in 2003, resulted in the loss of 14 astronauts. These tragedies reminded us of the risks inherent in space travel. Section 5, International Space Station, a global outpost in space. In 1998, a new era of international collaboration began with the launch of the first module of the International Space Station, or ISS. This orbiting laboratory is a testament to what humanity can achieve by working together. The ISS is a joint project between the United States, Russia, Europe, Japan, and Canada. Astronauts from these countries live and work on the ISS, conducting research in a microgravity environment. The station orbits Earth every 90 minutes, providing a unique platform for scientific experiments. The ISS has helped us to understand more about space and our planet. Section 6, Rise of Private Companies. SpaceX enters the scene. In the 21st century, private companies began to play a more significant role in space exploration. SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk in 2002, emerged as a major player. SpaceX's goal is to make space travel more affordable and accessible. They developed reusable rockets such as the Falcon 9, which can land back on Earth after launching payloads into orbit. This innovation significantly reduced the cost of spaceflight, making it possible for more people and organizations to access space. SpaceX's achievements marked a turning point in space exploration. Section 7. Reusable rockets and Martian dreams. SpaceX's success with reusable rockets has revolutionized the space industry. The ability to land and reuse rockets dramatically lowers the cost of launching payloads into space. This opens up new possibilities for exploration and research. SpaceX is not just focused on Earth orbit. Elon Musk has made it clear that his ultimate goal is to colonize Mars. SpaceX is developing the Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft designed to transport humans to Mars and beyond. The Starship represents a bold vision for the future of space travel. It has the potential to make humans a multiplanetary species. Section 8. The future of space exploration. The future of space exploration is full of exciting possibilities. We are on the verge of sending humans back to the moon, this time to stay. Plans are underway to build lunar bases and establish a permanent human presence on our celestial neighbor. Beyond the moon, Mars beckons with its promise of uncovering the secrets of the red planet. And as our technology continues to advance, we can look even further afield, to the outer planets and beyond. The discoveries we make in space will not only expand our knowledge of the universe, but also have practical applications here on Earth. Section 9, Conclusion to Infinity and Beyond. From the launch of Sputnik to the reusable rockets of SpaceX, the journey of space exploration has been one of incredible achievements and daring dreams. What started as a race for technological supremacy has evolved into a global endeavor, driven by a shared thirst for knowledge and a desire to push the boundaries of what is possible. As we look to the future, the spirit of exploration burns brighter than ever. The next chapter in the epic journey of space exploration promises to be even more awe-inspiring than the last. The cosmos awaits, and humanity is ready to answer its call.